During the war, Israel's Ministry of Defense asked domestic defense companies to redirect supplies to support the war effort. However, two senior defense executives noted that the Philippines was reluctant to comply with these demands, leading to tensions in communications between officials of both countries. The delay affected Elbit Systems Limited, a major defense electronics firm, due to an order for Israel's defense companies. Notably, the Philippines is a key customer of Israel's defense industry. Most Israeli defense industry customers accepted with an understanding of the necessary delays in deliveries due to the war. However, the Philippines was not sympathetic to the fact that the products they needed would not be received on time. Israel's supply of 12 ATMOS 155mm self-propelled howitzers for the Philippine Army may be impacted. The Philippine Army is considering alternatives if Elbit Systems fails to meet delivery deadlines, as reported by The Original Post by Max Defense Philippines. Here are some alternative options to consider. The Yavuz T-155 SPH from Turkey. The Yavuz 6x6 155mm, produced by Turkish defense manufacturer Mk.II, is a contemporary self-propelled howitzer that combines firepower, mobility, and adaptability. Its design with a 155mm 52 caliber gun aligns it with current artillery systems, with the 52 caliber barrel indicating a mix of range and compactness. The Yavuz measures 10.8 meters in length, 2.6 meters in width, and 4.1 meters in height. It's relatively light for its class, weighing in at 32 tons. This weight, combined with its size, suggests a design focus on a balance between firepower and mobility. Performance-wise, its on-road top speed stands at an impressive 90 km/h, with an operational range of 600 kilometers. It has a fire rate of 4 to 6 rounds per minute and carries 18 rounds of ammunition. The Yavuz's range varies based on the ammunition type, reaching up to 40 kilometers with the Mod-274. The elevation and traverse capabilities indicate flexibility in various firing scenarios. Caesar Mk.II. A French defense contractor developed the Caesar KNDS France. The Caesar is a wheeled 155mm 52 caliber self-propelled howitzer. It holds 18 rounds and is typically operated by a crew of 5, though if necessary, it can be operated by a crew of 3. It can be transported by a C-130 or an A-400M aircraft. It has a firing range of approximately 42 kilometers using an extended-range full-bore shell, and more than 50 kilometers using rocket-assisted shells. The Caesar has an autonomous weapon system featuring an inertial navigation system, a ballistic computer, and an optional muzzle velocity radar. The system is adaptable to any C4I system, fully integrated with the Atlas FCS. The Caesar 8X8 uses a modified Tatra 817 888 chassis, allowing a higher degree of mobility. It is fitted with an unarmored forward control 4-person cabin as standard, with an optional fully armored cabin. Gross vehicle weight would depend on the level of armor protection, Mk.II about 30 tons. It is powered by a 410 horsepower diesel engine and can hold 36 rounds. Dita 155mm self-propelled howitzer artillery system being developed by the Czech defense company Excalibur Army. The Dita artillery weapon system will have a length of 13.02 meters, a width of 3.08 meters, a height of 3.12 meters, and will weigh up to 29 tons. The fully autonomous superstructure will allow the howitzer to be mounted on different types of wheeled or tracked chassis, while enabling operation by only a 2-member crew comprising a driver and commander. Derived from the Tatra 8X8 truck-mounted howitzer designs. The Dita howitzer features a fully automated superstructure which will increase the rate of fire with only 2 crew members on board. The Dita self-propelled gun howitzer will be armed with a NATO standard 155mm L45 gun with a maximum firing range of 39 kilometers with high explosive base bleed shells. The gun will offer a maximum rate of fire of 6 rounds per minute, while its sustained rate of fire will be 5 rounds per minute. The ballistic crew cabin will be equipped with a high-performance heating and air conditioning system and a nuclear, biological, and chemical filtration system. The cabin will offer STANAG 4569 Level 1 protection to the occupants. Morana self-propelled howitzer. Morana features a 155mm caliber primary weapon capable of reaching over 41 kilometers. The crew has 45 carried rounds available for their task completion. Fully automated gun loading allows the crew to fire up to 6 rounds within the first minute of establishing position. MRSI fire mode is available. Morana is designed for agile movement and quick fire support. Its systems allow for standard artillery battery integrated operation, but also for standalone task performance or swift reaction in case initiative needs to be taken under changing circumstances. The crew handles the whole system from within. The protected modular EA Puma cabin that is certified for STANAG 4569 Level 2 against both ballistic and landmine threats. The cabin is pressurized, and the air intake is fitted with NBC filters. Heating and air conditioning are available. EVA, Mk.II self-propelled autonomous artillery system. The 155mm EVA Mk.II 6x6 is an autonomous self-propelled artillery system equipped with automatic ammunition loading, enabling effective firing through both direct and indirect aiming methods. The design is grounded in a combat-proven 155mm 52 caliber gun system, while incorporating a comprehensive range of verified assemblies and design solutions. The 155mm SPGH EVA Mk.II 6x6 is outfitted with a 52 caliber barrel, advanced electronic equipment, diagnostics, and automation streamline loading and firing operations, positioning this weapon among the most cutting-edge systems globally. The system supports the firing of any 155mm NATO standard ammunition. The gun can carry 20 ready-to-fire projectiles and charges, with versatile conveyor beds capable of accommodating various commonly used projectile and charge types. Loading automation enables the handling of even the latest projectiles up to a maximum height of 1,000 millimeters. The Philippine Army is preparing for the future, ensuring that it has reliable and powerful artillery. The question remains, will Elbit Systems deliver on time, or will the Army be forced to look elsewhere? Which of these alternatives do you think is the best option? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the Philippine military's modernization.